All right, you crazy West Coast swing dancers, if you want to do crazy patterns like this, where you lead the follower into a ride, that's what we're going to talk about in today's video. What's up? My name is
Brian B.
And this is Miss Megan from West Coast Swing Online here in Louisville, Kentucky. So let's first define what is a ride. A ride is basically my partner standing on a foot and I am running around outside of her. So the first thing you should practice before you get to the crazy town move is literally putting your partner on a foot, creating this circle. There's a couple of things that are important here. There is a circle around my partner. I call this forward in the direction of turn. Let me show you what I mean by that. If I walk forward outside of the turn, notice that Megan has no inclination to do anything. As I walk around Megan, I want my left side to progress forward in the direction of my turn. That's numero uno. So as we get into this, practice this here. Put your partner on a foot. Get used to holding her over that foot and walking around and creating that balance. Make sense? That is your first drill. Then, because you're crazy, we're going to go right to the pattern. Easiest way to get into this. Let's do this from this side. If we dance this in just a basic inside turn, 1, 2, Megan's prepped, 3 and 4, advanced male footwork there till I connect my hands, and then we walk around into the ride. So practice that. We'll do it from the other side. No, we'll do it from this side because this makes no sense. So advanced male footwork, meaning 1, 2, my priority is to turn her, 3 and 4, and to link my arms in a position where, like I did before, I'm going to put your back on your foot, I'm in that kind of position here, only I'm connected with this hand. That's number 1. Number 2 is I'm leading and walking forward in the direction of my turn. However, from the follower standpoint, there's something that you need to do in your dancing in general to be able to feel the inclination to do this turn. And I'm going to say, before Megan gives you your tip, you can't dance this if you dance flat onto your foot. You have to understand that as you're stepping on a foot, you're transferring your weight slowly, and that I could transfer your weight slowly onto that foot. And I'm going to put Megan in the spot this way. 1, 2, 3, and as she steps forward on 4, she's transferring her weight slowly onto that so that I have something to pick up and ride with. Do you want to talk about that, please?
Sure. The incremental change.
Yeah, let's go this way so they can see your feet.
All right. So we have 1, 2, 3, and. So whether you do this as a heel lead or a toe lead, my toe can be there. My heel's not down yet, and my knee is definitely not over my toe. So I'm just going to take my time getting there so that Brian can start that ride without me being fully ready yet.
And a lot like West Coast Swing, where they say leader, follower, it's much more of a relationship, meaning if Megan were to clunk onto that foot, if you just clunk on that foot, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now at this point, it's going to feel like I'm dragging her around and she's going to go too fast and it's not going to work. So followers have to be really good. And leaders, if I don't get that feel, and I can feel it right here, right? I can feel, okay, I've got a good follower. This might work. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then we can go. Now, Megan hasn't covered this, but I'm going to cover this because I know what she's going to say. If, as the follower from this position, you go too fast, you will kill the energy. So show us what happens if you go too fast.
Oh, I can definitely do
Look,
that.
I'm a good leader. I do everything correct. Megan goes too fast, and then the energy's gone. So there are 2 things that you might do with your leg. Can you show them both, please?
So the 2 options for the leg, we've already showed 1. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. I am letting Brian take off here, and then my leg is going to stay. I'm going to lift it, and then it just stays as he runs around me, sorry. The other option, which I personally like better just because I can help with some momentum and get in a more seated position, which suits me better. 1, 2, 3, and 4. As Brian initiates this ride, I can swing my leg around into a sit position. And then we are in a good
Look at that power.
place, and there's more power.
The same thing I said before, followers, well, I said this in this side here. Your outside of turn can't beat your inside of turn, meaning if I walk around Megan and I'm even, cool. If my outside of turn beats her inside of turn, it collapses. Same thing with this free leg. If Megan gets in this position, let's say she wants to swing that leg and get to a seated position, and she overshoots it, number one, she's going to kick me. Number two, all the energy just spirals and it disappears. So from this side, if you overshoot that, let's try to overshoot that. Zip, oh, tons of energy, and it just goes too fast and I lose it. So there's two ways it's going to happen.
Controlled sit.
Two problems as you're practicing this, there's two ways it'll go wrong. Number one, the follower clunks on their foot and there's no energy to start this. And it's just going to feel like you're dragging your partner through, and it's going to feel like this at best. Number two is she's going to go, okay, I can lead into this and create this energy, and the follower is going to go too fast, and that's when this is going to happen. Everything feels good, and you're like, woo, and it just loses. So leaders, outside of turn, consistent. Number two for the leaders is advanced male footwork, meaning you've probably seen me on this video. I don't have exact footwork. I'm placing my feet based upon where I feel that, so that way I have the energy. And for the followers, don't go too quick when you add that little bit of...
Either on the foot, or if you are bringing that around, it is a round and controlled sit.
So that we are then connected away, which leads me to one more tip. In West Coast Swing, you're connecting opposite of wherever your partner gives you. If that's rotational, you're connecting opposite of where your partner gives you. If you're leading this and there's a little bit of rotation, Megan is connecting away, but not purely linearly, but with a little bit of rotation that leads us into this. Now, if you like dips and tricks and stuff like this, a few of us did a video called, I don't remember what it's called, Dips, Tricks, and Rides, I think, right over here. And if you want an unlimited supply of like advanced cool moves, you should try it. Our membership, you can try it 14 days free. Click this video. There's a video. I'll explain everything about it on the other side. See you on the dance floor soon.